can see this is a factory market. This is a factory market. Everywhere is locked. No market today. Everywhere is locked. In MBC, a factory market.
As you can see, the time now is 8 o'clock, being the second day of Shutdown declaration, being the 10th day of December 2022. Everybody is sitting at home. All zone complied 100%. This is road, that road I'm about. This road is so many places. This is Bishop Ekpa. This is Bishop Ekpa. All the whole shops is locked. All the whole shops is locked. This road leads to Igbo. From here you can get to Agata, Anambra State. You can see everybody is sitting at home. Movement is short. Everywhere is shut down. Total locked with key. 100% compliant. Today be the 10th day of December 2022. The second day of Shutdown. This is Ekpa, as we all can see. The popular roads, the busiest road in Igbo State. You can see everybody is sitting at home. The whole shops is locked. Everywhere is locked. So everybody is compliant. Total 100% compliance. This is a main road, lead to international market. This road leads to so many places. Ipob, Abia State, Enugu State. From here, you get Abia State, Enugu State, Ekpa. Then this is the Ekpa. Everybody is sitting at home. This one leads to Banana Junction and Fogidi. You can see everybody is so disastered. Everybody is sitting at home. This is the busiest place. This place, normal day, great people used to be here. These are shops, but now everywhere is closed. So a lot of people complied very well, 100%.
And direct. Today is 10th of December. 10th of December 2022. 10th of December 2022. Oh, yeah, I did here. 10th of December 2022. In the Bendo Pale. Oh, yeah, I did here. 10th December 2022. They are really observed the sit at home. Today being Tuesday, second day of the sit at home. Oh, yeah, I did here. You can see. If you can see, everywhere is empty. Everywhere is dry. No busy day, no market. This is a small market square. There's nobody. Where people used to come out and sell market. They used to come out here and sell market very early in the morning. So that is where everywhere is empty, no problems. So people really observe the sit at home. They really observe. Many shops closed. Many of them closed.
So as I was talking, I say I too fine. I cannot share land with them. I cannot live with them. I cannot hang with them. Igbo, let's stay together and get referendum before election. We warned you people 2015. You refused. You bring in Buhari. Buhari brought in terrorists. Now they've taken over the government. Now we're warning you again. Peter Obi cannot do nothing. Peter Obi cannot do nothing. He got no power. Even your governors have no power. Let me tell you, Governor Wike is more powerful than Peter Obi. In money, in stubbornness, in whom he is. Even Okorocha. But look at the way the Fulani mess him up. Disgrace him publicly. Wike is just packaging himself. If not, they will mess him up. Wike is only backed up by Niger debtors. Of course, he gave them something. You can't be in Port Harcourt when you have people that are carrying machine gun. You got to have something, can protect you. You want to ewu pepe. Ask him, ewu pepe, muga. That's why they know Wike has gangs. They know Wike has boys around him. That's why the Fulani cannot really mess up. But the problem is that Wike hates his own people. He hates his own, because if he doesn't, believe me, if it's back in the day, somebody like Wike can be a president of Nigeria without election. Take over. When you are sitting on the oil, onye take over. The money is there, the water is there to bring in arms. Even in the night, they can bring in anything without anybody knowing. But Wike is there sitting down now, about boy, about the outside boy, about the Fulani boy, about her boy. My people, I have nothing to me. I did enjoy myself. Oh. I don't feel live this enjoyment.
Somebody is promising you 2023. As a matter of fact, any Igbo man that believes that they are going to get the presidency of Nigeria in 2023 is the worst human being alive. You are the most brainwashed and brain dead person walking on the surface of this earth today. You are the most deranged and degraded person alive. What promises have they kept for you that you believe you are going to get presidency? We don't need presidency in 2023. We don't need the presidency in 2023. If you like, bring it in 2020. We don't need it. We need to be treated like human beings. Period. We need to be treated like people. We are going to get what we are looking for. I'm only just making this video to correct that nasty impression. But if it's for freedom, you watch. The game is on. We will get our freedom. We will be treated like humans, and we will get our fair share. The battle is on. God bless you.
The question now is, do we really need freedom? What do we really need? You can see what is going on. Some persons say they don't even believe in Peter Obi making the difference. Can you imagine that Peter Obi, while some other persons believe that he can make the difference? While some other persons say, oh, we need Biafra, we are tired. Which parts are you? That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.